Your brain is not your friend. It's not trying to help you. It's trying to protect you by keeping you soft, scared, and silent. And that's why you struggle to do the hard things. Because every time you try, your own mind fights you. But today, that war ends. I'm about to show you how to override your brain and force it to obey. Step 1. Built to break you. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about one thing: survival. That's why it tells you, don't go to the gym, just rest. One more scroll won't hurt. You'll start tomorrow. It wants the easy way. But the easy way doesn't build warriors. It builds watchers, consumers, people who dream and never move. And the longer you obey this voice, the more you become slave to your own mind. Step 2. Make pain your fuel. The secret is not to run from pain, it's to redefine it. Most people think pain is the enemy. Wrong. Pain is the price. It's the currency you pay for growth, power, clarity, strength. Want to break the loop? Do this. Every time your brain says, I don't feel like it, you respond, good, that means I must. Pain becomes the trigger, not the warning. You stop chasing comfort. You start chasing resistance. Step 3. The 3-second kill switch. Every time you hesitate, your brain wins. That's why you have 3 seconds to act, or you'll never act at all. Here's how it works. You wake up and don't feel like it? 3, 2, 1, move. You see the workout and doubt yourself? 3, 2, 1, begin. No thoughts, just movement, because action kills overthinking, and hesitation is the enemy of transformation. Step 4. Daily war mode. You don't need a 50-step routine. You need one thing: a daily discomfort ritual. Cold shower, 100 push-ups, 30 minutes deep work, speaking up when you're scared, waking up before the sun, small acts of war. Each one is a punch to your weakness. Each one trains your brain to submit. Your goal is not to feel ready. Your goal is to act until your brain shuts up and follows. Step 5. Become the machine. Most people wait until they feel disciplined, but warriors don't wait to feel anything. They decide who they are, and then they act like it. Tell your brain, I'm not lazy. I just trained myself to avoid pain. But that ends today. Then go do something hard and repeat it tomorrow. You're not rewiring your day. You're rewiring your identity. The goal is not to complete a task. The goal is to become a machine that thrives under pressure. You've obeyed your brain long enough. That version of you, it dies today. From now on, you do the hard things. Subscribe.